Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. Well, I've been away on holiday for the last week. I ended up going up to Moreton Island with the family. Had a bit of a holiday up there. Did a little bit of fishing up there, not a lot really. The fishing was pretty poor. We did do a bit of trolling on the jet skis and picked up a couple of little spotty mackerel. I had a few casts with the fly rod as well and around sort of like submerged logs. I did go snorkeling around there and found a couple of really solid flatties sort of cruising around in between the logs. But yeah, I couldn't get anything on fly. I also went out and had a bit of a cast with some soft plastics and picked up another little spotty. But yeah, it was pretty average really. Not a lot going on. Big swell on the eastern side of the island, so I did throw some lures out there in the surf, but it was like 2.5 meters, just too big to really fish. So I'm back on the coast now, and I got up really early this morning and headed out at about 4:30. I just wanted to throw a bit of topwater, sort of see what's around. Haven't fished in the canals for a couple of weeks now, so I'm not really too sure what's been firing and where the fish are. So yeah, headed out early on and got onto a couple of good fish. Actually caught 3 fish this morning. So the first one was a really solid big eye, and that just smashed the old Sugapen. This is the Sugapen 95F. You'll have seen this in my previous videos. This is just a cool, really cool lure to throw topwater on. I run the Trick Bits assist hooks on this, and I run BKK. I upgrade the trebles to BKK Vipers, I think they are, or Fangs, one of the two. I can't remember which one now, but yeah, so I upgraded the hooks, and this lure just nails fish no matter where you are around the Gold Coast. If you throw on top water, this has got to be in your box. This is an absolute cracker. Much like the MMD splash prawn, that's another ripper that you need to have if you're going to throw top water. And yeah, you'll see in this video I've got a couple of really cool fish, a couple of nice little GTs, real small ones. One of them just inhaled the lure, and yeah, that really good big eye. So hope you enjoy the clip. I'm going to be heading home now, so if I see a bust up on the way, I will throw at it. So who knows, I might add another fish to the tally, but hope you enjoy the clip. It's a little short one, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, got him. Right. Oh no. Jesus. Oh. No, not the trees. Not near the trees. Oh. Not near the trees. Oh. Oh. Holy dolly. Far out. They got airborne. Oh my god. It's nuts. Oh, that's big. What is that? That is big. It's a big eye. Oh, it's a big eye. Just hooked too. Come on, mate. Come on, buddy. Lose him here. Come on, champion. Come on, buddy. Oh, no. Not quite done yet. Not quite done. Oh, does not want to play the game. Oh. Alright, where's he going now? Oh. Come on, mate. There we go. Oh, that's a good big eye. That is a good big eye. Oh, yes. That's a ripper. Oh. It's an absolute gem. Really nice one off the top there this morning. He's a ripper. Absolutely smashed that. Couldn't get my fly in there because it was too far down, so I threw the old Sugapen down there and he's just nailed it. Have a look at him, what a ripper. Absolute ripper. That's got to be going 60, 70 centimetres, that fish. It's a really nice big eye on the Sugapen. You can see there, Bassday Sugapen doing the damage. What a gem. Absolute gem of a fish. Early morning too. Unreal. Alright, we got that one really nice big eye there. Must be about around that 60, 70 centimetre mark. I'm going to fire another couple of casts in down this alleyway and see if I can pick one up. Might be some more fish cruising around in here, so we'll give it a go. Oh yeah, oh Jesus, no way, oh my God, right at the boat, insane. Oh, what do we got here? I think it's another little big eye. Very shallow water here. Oh, what's he doing? Oh. Let's get him up a bit. Oh. There's a little Trev. A little Trev. He's not happy. Yeah. Calm down, mate. Oh, he's engulfed that too. Absolutely engulfed it. Oh, look at that. He's absolutely inhaled that. Look at that. Little GT, and he's just nailed it. Oh my God. Look at that. Right down his gob. Look at that. Right down his mouth. Never seen anything like it. He was not missing that, was he? Little baby GT. Oh yep, got him, yes. Oh, got him. Oh, that was a good hit. Far out, that was a good hit. Holy dooly. That was insane. He just smashed that. Oh, that was wicked. Right up in the shallows too. Unreal. What do we got here? Big eye or GT? Let's have a look. Oh, what's he doing now? Feels a lot like a GT, but it was very shallow. Oh, when it hit that lure, so could be a big eye. Oh, jeez. He's not giving up. Oh no, GT. Oh, there you go, little G. Oh, he's got some go about him. Oh, far out. He just nailed that. Absolutely nailed it. Yeah, he's only a little one. Good fish though. Nice little one on the Sugapen again. Right up in the shallows, this fella. He just came in and just smashed that lure, eh? Absolutely nailed it. As you can see, he's got it right in his gob there. He's just smashed it. Had a real good chew on it. Here's one feisty little fish. Really feisty little fish. And he's off.